How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So if you want to see who viewed your profile, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, now make sure to log into your account. And if you want to know who visited your profile, then simply go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and then you can go for your profile. And once you're here on the profile, tap on the three dots which is on the right side of your screen, and here you will have turn on professional mode. So if you want to see who viewed your Facebook profile, then the first thing you need to do is turn on the professional mode. So tap on turn on, and then you can set up your profile. So add a profile, create a new content, or add details about yourself or anything, you need to set up your professional mode. And once you've set up your professional mode, now you can simply remove your Facebook from the background, and then again open up your Facebook application, and here go for the three dots or the three bar which is on the upper right, and then tap on your profile, and here you will have see dashboard option under your profile. Tap on see dashboard, and here you can simply go for see more insights, and here under the performance, here you will have the reach option. So if you tap on reach, here you will have all of the information about who viewed your profile. So for now I don't have any persons that have viewed my profile, so if you have anyone, then you will have their information here. So here you can only have the view count, but you won't have the actual information of that person or actual profile of that person. So you will only have the view count. So if you want to know that, then you can simply install any third-party applications like Tracker or something. If you go to your Google or your browser, you can simply search for Facebook profile visit tracker. And once you've searched for Facebook profile visit tracker, here you will have all of the applications, third-party applications that you can simply install. And once you've installed, you can have the information of who viewed your profile on your Facebook. So that's the only way. So these were the ways to see who viewed your profile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.